Good morning. Here are the Sanibel Island and Southwest Florida update as of March 3rd, 2023. For Lee County, 4 beach parks and multiple beach accesses for Bonita Beach will open Saturday, March 4th. There will be no charge for beach parking until further notice. This is just for the Bonita Beach area. Pay attention to signs because not all beaches in Lee County have free parking. The 4 beach areas are Lynn Hall Memorial Park, San Carlos Bay Bunchy Beach Preserve, Bonita Beaches Park, and the Bonita Beach access points from 1 through 10. Lee County officials advise residents and visitors of the park conditions. I am going to read from their standard list. Beaches and beach parks have not been restored to pre-Hurricane Ian conditions. Some amenities such as restroom facilities, piers, and walkovers have not been repaired or replaced at this time. Debris continues to wash on shore and quickly may be obscured by sand. Beach shoes should be worn at all times. Debris can still be found in near shore areas such as dunes or mangrove-lined coastlines. Check for any beach or water advisories from the Florida Department of Health, Lee County at lee.floridahealth.gov. The Health Department did issue a red tide alert February 20th for portions of the coast in Lee County. This is actually a pretty big red tide that's going on currently. It's even in Collier County up near Naples and Marco Island. It's on the news a lot. It's just you're going to have to form your own opinion on whether you want to go to the beach during a red tide or not. In addition, the entrance to the San Carlos Bay Bunchy Beach Preserve, which is located at 18201 John Morris Road, will be closed every Tuesday and Wednesday beginning March 7th to allow the state's licensed contractor to safely remove hurricane debris along the preserve's coastline. To ensure safety, the contractors need to keep the road and beach area closed and clear of all pedestrians and traffic while the debris is moved off the beach. 5 months after Hurricane Ian, Lee County's swim advisory is still in effect, meaning the health department is still advising people to stay out of the water. They are not estimating to remove that advisory anytime soon. This is just an advisory. Make your own decisions. There are plenty of people swimming in the water in Lee County. I personally have no issues walking ankle deep in the water. I do wear my water shoes. I am not an ocean swimmer. I really never go into deep water anyway, so this doesn't change my behavior. Yes, red tide is present, but it's never affected me personally. Again, do your own research about red tide if that is an issue that concerns you. This red tide is being talked a lot in the news. If you're not familiar with Florida, they get red tide every single year. Yes, does it seem to be worse than normal right now? Yeah, absolutely. But this isn't anything new. I don't want it to alarm people. I don't want it to keep people away if you're really intent on coming to Florida. It's just a thing that Floridians have to deal with. And if you're concerned, research it. In other good news, Lee County's Matlacha Community Park, which has been closed since Hurricane Ian due to damage, has reopened to the public with limited amenities at 7 a.m. Saturday, February 25th. The park, which is located at 4577 Pine Island Road on Matlacha, resumed normal operating hours of 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. Open amenities at the park include the boat ramp, kayak launch, and a large pavilion. The small pavilions, fishing pier, playgrounds, basketball court, and buildings remain closed for further repairs. There is a trailer parking fee of $10 daily, no fee for single car parking. The Lee County annual parking sticker is accepted. Thanks for listening.